Hey lovely people, welcome back once again to another episode of Stitches Beads Collection. I'm Miss Stitches. So I've had numerous questions about how I pass my fish line through the beads, whether I make knots or I just pass them through. So in this video I'm just going to show you the simple way of how I pass my fish line through. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. So it's very simple. After you've weaved and your fish line is left, you just go through the bead one by one, and then please look at the way I'm going through the beads. I don't go through the beads straight or in line. I go through the beads, how should I even call it, zigzag, or let me say I go through the beads according to how the fish line has been laid in the beads. So when you watch the mat itself, you will see how the fish line has been laid in between the beads. So that is according to how you will pass the excess fish line through the beads to make your work very nice. Don't forget, sometimes when you are passing your fish line through the beads, you need needle. Like, it's very important. It helps you bring out the fish line so easily, like it helps make the work fast. So sometimes you need them, sometimes you don't need it. Hey, but one thing is is it's very time taking, but on the other hand, it makes your bag look very beautiful and neat. That is after you've passed the fish line through very well. But trust me, after you've done it well, you will love the outcome of your bag. You yourself, you will feel it, like you will feel so good after you see the outcome. Okay, sometimes I get bored when doing it because sometimes it's annoying. That is the fact. But after I'm done with it, my work looks so beautiful, nice and attractive. I really feel my work, like my handwork. So please learn the skills and apply it to all your beaded bags, your necklaces, your tissue boxes, everything beads. Please, if you want to see more of this, more of my tricks of how I make my bags, make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of my tutorials. Please share as well. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Have a nice day and bye.